Hello, this is Munib, growth strategist from Growth Beyond Horizon, and today we'll talk about Amazon PPC. So, Amazon PPC can be a game changer for your sales, but only if you know how to use it effectively. First, start with automatic campaigns to gather valuable data on which keywords convert the best for your products. Monitor these results closely and extract high-performing keywords to include in your manual campaigns. Next, segment your campaigns by product category, match type, and bid strategy to control spending and improve targeting. Always add negative keywords to filter out irrelevant clicks that drain your budget. Advanced strategies include adjusting bids based on placement performance, testing different ad creatives, and analyzing search term reports weekly to refine campaigns. Remember, consistency is key. Monitor, tweak, and scale gradually. With these strategies, you can maximize your ad spend, increase visibility, and achieve a massive ROI on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Growth Beyond Horizon for more informative videos.